In Red Hat, Yum is a popular package manager for managing software packages. For instance, imagine you download some Yum packages before, but now want to clear up your storage space by uninstalling them with or without dependencies. To do this task, you can use the yum or dnf command. So let's learn the procedure in detail, and for this, you need to keep in touch until the video ends. Additionally, for your information, I will use the Google Chrome package for the uninstallation. Packages have dependencies to function properly. Here in this case, the Yum package manager automatically removes the unused dependencies of the Google Chrome package. So now to uninstall the Google Chrome software package, type sudo yum remove and the package name Google Chrome stable. Here in this command, you can use the word erase instead of remove. Now hit enter and you can see this package is deleted with unused dependencies, as this single command alone can remove unwanted software packages with their unused dependencies. Again, if you wish to forcefully remove Yum packages without dependencies, you can run the command sudo yum set opt equal clean underscore requirements underscore on underscore remove equals 0. Remove and the package name Google Chrome stable. Hit enter and you can see this command has forcefully removed Google Chrome from the system. Now if you wish to remove packages with all dependencies, use the yum auto remove command. This will remove all the unnecessary dependencies of your Google Chrome package as well as other packages. First, to check all the dependencies of the Google Chrome package, write the command sudo yum dplist and the package name Google Chrome stable. Now if you hit enter, then you can see all the dependencies of Google Chrome are displayed. Now I will remove all the unused packages and dependencies. For this, I will run the command sudo yum auto remove. See, all the unused dependencies are successfully removed from the system. Now to delete metadata and cache files, run the command sudo yum clean all. Hit enter and 22 files have been removed from the Red Hat Linux, including metadata and caches. Now moving on to DNF, an advanced version of Yum. DNF refers to Dandified Yum, which is the same as the Yum command but a more updated one. However, people usually use Yum as it is well documented. On the contrary, the DNF command uses less memory storage and shows good performance and a better dependency resolver. So if your device supports DNF, then go for it. Now let's uninstall with DNF. So in the terminal, type sudo dnf remove and the package name Google Chrome stable. Like the previous one, you can also use the word erase instead of remove. Now hit enter and you can see, like the yum command, the dnf command also erases the Google Chrome package as soon as you type y. In the same way, you can do all the similar tasks as yum with the dnf command but with better performance. To conclude, I hope now you can uninstall any package with the yum or dnf command. Check the video description for the commands and article link that contains the dependency list with the yum command. And keep an eye on our channel for more Linux tips and tricks. Goodbye!